Welcome to Homeopathy Secrets. Discover the healing power of nature. In this video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of homeopathy, a system of alternative medicine that has intrigued and healed millions worldwide. So what exactly is homeopathy? It's a holistic healing method founded in the late 18th century by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. Unlike conventional medicine, homeopathy is based on the principle of like cures like. This means that a substance that causes symptoms in a healthy person can, in a very small dose, treat similar symptoms in the sick. Let's delve a bit deeper into its history. Hahnemann, disillusioned by the medical practices of his time, discovered the concept accidentally while translating a medical treatise. He found that cinchona bark, used to treat malaria, caused symptoms of malaria in healthy individuals. Intrigued, he began experimenting with dilution and succussion, leading to the development of homeopathic remedies. But how do these remedies work? They're prepared through a process of serial dilution and succussion, which is vigorous shaking. Homeopaths believe this process imprints the healing essence of the substance onto the water or alcohol it's mixed with, creating a potent remedy that can stimulate the body's natural healing forces. One of the core principles of homeopathy is individualized treatment. It's not just about treating symptoms, it's about treating the person as a whole. This means considering the emotional, mental, and physical aspects of an individual when choosing a remedy. Now let's touch on the concept of the vital force. Homeopathy posits that health is the harmonious balance of the vital force, an energy or life essence that animates our being. Illness is seen as a disruption of this force, and homeopathic remedies aim to restore balance, thus facilitating healing. Critics of homeopathy often point to the high dilutions, claiming that the remedies are too diluted to have any effect. However, proponents argue that the preparation process enhances the remedy's healing properties, making it effective even at high dilutions. In conclusion, homeopathy offers a unique approach to health and wellness, focusing on natural substances and the body's ability to heal itself. It's a journey into understanding how even the smallest substance can have a significant impact on our health. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the heart of homeopathy. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will delve into specific homeopathic remedies and their uses. Remember, the journey to health is a natural path, and with homeopathy we can walk this path gently and effectively.